friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. So, I had some packages accumulate, and when that happens, I tend to want to do a haul video. Um, some of these are friend mail. Actually, a couple of these I picked up by myself in Canton that I wanted to show you guys. I kept thinking I would show them during a live sale, and I never got a chance, but oh, I've got some goodies. Oh, I'm so excited to show you. Today I'm going to start off with items I got from Angela, who is Dear Angela's Vintage, for those of you who may not know. She got 4 of these wall plaques, and I believe she kept one for herself. Carrie, Catsgotyourtongue, got one, and I chose this one. It is so cute. Look at this. Look at this owl. Look how happy he is. This is so 70s and so perfect for my kitchen. I mean, oh my God. I saw this box and I was so excited because also in this box was this amazing vase. This was gifted to me from Rebecca. She got it from Angela for me. And it's got this amazing barn owl on it here. I'm trying to remember, doesn't even matter, but I think it is a Nesco. It is. I love it. Oh my gosh, there's a few owls here today. But Rebecca, thank you so much. I adore this. I can't wait to figure out where I'm gonna put it. It's so well made, guys. It's like this beautiful milk glass. It's so pretty. Okay, so continuing with Angela. I got these owls from her as well. When she was driving to visit Pam, I think it was, she stopped at an antique mall and she showed me a picture of her cart. And this was in the cart. And I was like, oh my God. Yeah, I have a lot of owls. Let's say I probably have hundreds of owls. I don't know. I've never counted, but I had not seen this one before. And I love that look. Oh my God, they're so cute. So I was so glad when she showed this at her live sale with me, because I had to get it. So I got a package of owls from Angela, which is freaking awesome. Then I got this. So this was friend mail. This was from Thomas Lynch. Shut up, Thomas. He got it from Jen Eads for me. So thank you. I love this bag. This is really, really cool. It's kind of like a canvasy material, and it's got these zippers here, which will be perfect for thrifting, perfect for going to Canton. For instance, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the colors. This is so me in so many ways. It's boho and it's an owl. You know me well, Thomas. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for being my friend. Thanks for everything you've done for me throughout the years. Gosh, I almost got choked up there. Big love to you and Sue. Okay, moving on from that, I want to show you guys what I got from Mama's Treasures, Rebecca. I got this amazing, look at this wallet, y'all. Look at this wallet. It's so incredible, this vintage wallet. I love it. I'm pretty sure she checked, but would it not be amazing if there was a $100 bill in there? I don't see anything. But anyway, guys, I love this. I love old leather pieces like this. The more boho and 70s, the better. So I love it. I will use it. I also got this from Rebecca. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I may have had this as a kid. At least the keychain part. I wouldn't have had a checkbook. But I remember having things like this. I was a horse girl. You know, I still am, but anything with a horse on it, I wanted it. And seeing this just brought me back to those days. Don't you love it when that happens? And I was like, I have to have it. I mean, I have to have it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. I'll probably use it in decor somehow. But how cool is it that Rebecca found this in its original box? Pit leather, fine leather goods. But anyway, so cool. Oh, this isn't a checkbook. Is it for glasses? I think it's for glasses. So maybe I will use that. Yeah. Look at the horses. This is so cute. Does this remind anyone of growing up in the 70s if you were a horse lover? So me. I really think I had that. I'm gonna cry over that. I just wanted to point out too that Rebecca always sends really cute package toppers with her packages. So I wanted to show you guys this cute bookmark that she included. And Angela wrapped everything perfectly. Everything I got here today was so well packaged, and I appreciate that always. So thanks so much, you guys. I'm gonna move on here for a second to a couple things I got myself. You know, I'm only 15 minutes from the city of Canton, which is the world's largest flea market. But to be honest with you, I haven't had a lot of chances to go since we've moved, you know. Hopefully that's changing in the near future, but I did go. We had several days of snow, and then all of a sudden it was First Monday weekend. So I went to Canton for a few hours by myself, and I actually had a really good time. I met some really cool people, some amazing vendors. I got some cards. I was going to try to show them in this video, but maybe I'll wait and do a separate Canton video next time and include people's information, because a lot of these vendors do eBay and Etsy and things like that, as well as doing the flea markets. But this set of Art Deco ladies I did get for myself. They're perfect for my house. They go with the decor I have in the house. You know, the house is 1909, so I do have a lot of Art Nouveau and Art Deco style items in here because I'm trying to kind of keep it period. It's hard to do because I love my boho at the same time, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of pan over these ladies and show them to you. I hope everybody is doing okay. I know there's a lot of bad weather coming. I think we're just going to get like a lot of rain tomorrow, but for everybody affected by the snowstorms, I sure hope you're okay. Happy belated birthday again, Mary. Cindy Brenner too, if either of you is watching this. I love you guys. Anyway, we'll go past these beautiful ladies, but you can actually tell in the back how old these frames are. These are old. Oh, they're fabulous. I just could, you know, when I went there, I was like, okay, I'm not buying anything for myself. So I ended up buying 3 things for me, but that's okay. Okay, moving on. I'm moving over to my jewelry girls, Belinda Solande's Treasures and Dusty Leather and Lace Kelly. So I do have at least 1 package in transit from Kelly, maybe 2. So most of these are actually from Belinda, but I did want to go ahead and show them to you today. I just felt like opening stuff up. I had a visitor. My mom came to see me today, and I've just been in a good mood, and I thought, let's just keep the good mood going and show some pretties. Show people what I like. Okay, so for those of you that know my jewelry taste, I do collect copper. So I got some copper from Belinda, and this is a cuff bracelet. I think it's freaking awesome. It's brass and copper. I don't have a bracelet like this, so I think it's so cool. I love how it's like a liquid coppery look to it. Just amazing. Then I also got this copper cuff bracelet from her as well. This one has a Greek key design. When I was in college, my major was history, and my minor's in classics, and really emphasized ancient Greece and Rome. So, had to get this. Love it. Is it focused? I think it's focused. Anyway, I had to get that. Then she had these stone bracelets, and you know, there was this yellow owl. So, well, yeah, had to, right? It's so cool. I love it. I like the blue and the yellow together. Just a cute necklace, or bracelet, excuse me. So I had to get that. And then, oh my gosh, I got a couple of really cool brooches. And again, these are for me. This is an Egyptian design, which is something I also collect, Egyptian jewelry and Egyptian art, tchotchkes, you name it. But this Egyptian cat with the wings, oh my gosh. I do believe it's modern. It also has a bail, which is super cool. So I may wear this as a necklace sometimes, but look at it. I don't know if it's Bastet or if it's just a cat. It's got to be a goddess cat. So, oh, I love it. I just now noticed. Look at the ankh. Oh my God, it's so cool. And then sticking with my love for mythology, this brooch as well. He's kind of like a green man, but he's got a rose in his mouth, which I love. He's super cool. Look at the eyes. The rhinestone eyes are just amazing. This one I think is also modern, which is fine. It's unique and it's awesome and I love it. Thank you so much, Kelly. I'm so glad I was finally able to make some sales with you guys. Then this pendant, which is super cool. It's steampunky with this key. I love it. Isn't this cool, y'all? Oh, I love it. I can't wait to wear that too. Then I picked up a pair of cameo earrings. Can't have too many of these, right? What I liked about these was the pink, as well as the beads around them. I just thought that was a really pretty combination. Plus the ladies are quite lovely. And I really do appreciate that all my jewelry from Belinda comes on cards like this. So does Kelly's. But I took everything off the cards just so you guys could see the items better. But I left these on because, you know, they're earrings and they're smaller. And then she included these two little gifts, which of course I love, the peace sign and the star. Love, love, love. Okay, so when I went to Canton by myself, I also got this. I do collect old books too. Y'all are going to be like, what is wrong with her? I have so many collections, but books have kind of been my thing since I was in high school, actually. I grew up an avid reader. My great-grandfather read every night. He read to me when I was young, and when I was staying with them, even in high school, I would sit on the couch with him and read for hours. And I think that's where my love for books and reading comes from, is from him. He was probably the smartest person I've ever met in my entire life. He could probably recite almost every poem in this book. He had such a powerful brain. But, okay, so I've explained to you why I love books, but Edgar Allan Poe is one of my favorite authors, if not my absolute favorite. I do have a collection of Poe books, and I did not have this one. This one's from 1916, and yeah, I got it for myself because I wanted it and I needed it. So yeah, I even have like a framed piece of art with quotes from the Raven in it, all sorts of Poe things in my house. But yeah, just amazing. Oh, this really cool Poe picture too that I'll have to show you guys sometime once I get everything set up the way I want it. But anyway, this book is amazing. It's in really good condition, and this is a book I did not have before. Just freaking amazing. I love antique books. Okay, did I go over everything? No, I didn't. So I got this amazing fossil from Kelly, dusty leather and lace. I freaking love this. It's ammonite, I believe I'm saying it correctly. And it's a pretty big piece. There's the back of it, just in case you wanted to see it. I do have a smallish collection of crystals and semi-precious stones and things like that. So I thought this was really cool because I did not have one of these, and Kelly had it for a good price. Speaking of which, their prices are always good on everything. Actually, everybody I'm showing has great prices on everything. So do check out these other resellers. You know, I don't buy things for myself normally that I'm not buying from another reseller. I hope that makes sense. You know, occasionally if I see something like these or whatever, I might treat myself, but I actually like supporting fellow resellers, you know, and I become friends with all these ladies, and yeah, just shop small. Oh my God, I almost forgot this. So I got this from Sabrina. Simon says, let's make a deal. And this is a black amethyst vase. I don't collect a lot of glass, but I do collect black amethyst. I don't think it's going to show in this light. Well, maybe it will. I don't know. Can you see the amethyst of it? I started a collection by getting a couple of pieces of black amethyst made by Imperial Glass, and I love it. Purple and black is just an amazing combination. And yeah, so Sabrina had this vase for a really good deal, guys. So I had to go ahead and pick it up. Oh, there you go. I think you could see the purple peeking through there, hopefully. But very, very pretty, great design. I love it. Thank you, Sabrina. This was packed really well too, guys. Perfectly. So again, I cannot thank you guys enough, especially for the friend mail. Thank you again, Thomas and Rebecca and Belinda and Kelly. I didn't go over this, but I believe this was a gift from Kelly. It's beautiful, y'all. This is totally my style. I mean, this is just as boho as it can get, right? Really, really cool necklace. I forgot to show it. You know, I've said it many a time, and a lot of you do go to their sales, but they have amazing items. They work really hard. So please go and support them if you're looking for jewelry. I did also want to mention that I've got 4 sales coming up in the next 3 days. Is that right? Let me list them out for you. Tomorrow night, I will be selling with Grand Old Things Beth and Belinda, and it will be on Beth's channel tomorrow at 5 Eastern, 4 Central, and 2 p.m. Pacific. I believe that time is correct. It may be a little subject to change, so just make sure. I will definitely put all this on my community tab, but we will definitely be on by 5 Eastern. We may just pop on a little bit early, depending on how our days are going. And then on Saturday, I have my Shop a Haul sale. And that one, I had changed the hour last week. I thought maybe people would appreciate it being an hour later, but I'm switching back to what it was before. So that'll be at 1 Eastern, noon Central, and 10 a.m. Pacific. Just my weekly Shop a Haul sale where I show items that I haven't shown before that I've recently picked up. Kind of like your first dibs kind of sale. And then Sunday's a break. Monday, I will be on Jane Newhouse's channel. She is Doggone Happy Vintage. That sale will be at 10:30 Eastern, 9:30 Central, and 7:30 Pacific. That's PM. Really looking forward to that. We had to cancel last week because Jane lost power. But yeah, got a lot of sales coming up. So I hope you guys can make it. I hope everyone enjoys these kind of videos. Like I said, it's been a while. All I put out lately is sales, and I kind of miss doing this. So I hope you enjoy seeing everything I got. And as always, I appreciate your support. I appreciate those of you that are always in my chats, and new people as well. Gotten some new people coming in, so shout out to all of you. But you know, there's never any pressure to buy anything. Just having you in the chats means a lot to me, and don't ever forget it. Okay guys, I love you very much. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow night. Bye bye.